hard to move what he was doing. He would have been out.
Yeah,
he would have been out.
Well, he might be now anyway if FedEx watches Fail Army. Yeah. This might finally be the viral video I've been waiting for. I've seen Fail Army do compilations. I've never seen him do a best of 18 wheelers yet. I'm going to suggest it to him. Maybe I'll get a t-shirt out of it.
Yeah, just don't hit the manager's car. He will not be happy.
Ah. The manager already said if he gets his car hit, he's just going to lie here on the ground and be like, oh, my car, I got to sue. Yeah. How did he miss the big blue sign that said pilot entrance at the light? And I think the street is even named Pilot Truck Center Drive.
Probably the same way the RVs and the four-wheelers have missed and come around this side when they're gas units and they have to turn around and go back out.
Well, some RVs are diesel, though, I think. Some of the bigger ones. But
the really big ones are all diesel, but
yeah. Well,
three of the four that I saw come back were gas units.
Oh, I think he just hit a trailer. And now he's got himself in a really bad spot. How's he gonna get out around that little black car?
Now is when the manager can move his car.
YouTube Fail Army. Well, I think he hit his trailer again. Hey FedEx, if you're watching this, send me a damn t-shirt or something. You too, Fail Army. If you're watching this, Fail Army, t-shirt.
Shout out to FedEx for fucking everything up.
Yeah. Yeah, wait a few days. This will be on Fail Army.
Hey, he's only been back here for almost an hour now. For real? For real. He came in here as a double down to the ball on the truck side. That was good.
You know it's bad when Santa Claus got to come help you get out of this spot you got yourself in. Santa Claus had to come all the way from the North Pole just to help this guy back out. It's a waste of Santa's time. Oh well. I guess Santa Claus can do what he wants. He is Santa Claus after all.
truck, here it comes, huh?
Yeah, the fail army. All this because somebody didn't see a big blue sign. Yeah, this is gonna be a good one for Fail Army. I haven't seen them do a best of trucks yet. I'm gonna give him the idea, see if I can get a t-shirt out of this or something. For this guy's sakes, he better hope FedEx doesn't watch Fail Army. That'd be... Can you imagine getting a call? Yeah, there's a video on YouTube we need to talk to you about. Yeah. Yeah. I'd hate to see what happens if the DOT watches this. This is one of those things where a truck driver becomes the next guy on the street with a hat and a sock asking for spare change. This is... Yeah. Plus, can you imagine all the poor people waiting for a package right now? Yeah. I could just see FedEx. Where's my package? Well, our truck driver screwed up, so your package ain't coming.
Well, they've unhooked the double trailer. Now we have another truck that has come around to try to hook up to the one that dropped. But I still can't go nowhere. Because now this other truck is trying to back up, as he calls it, line, because he can't find out where it connects. Alright, so I guess if you're coming this way, you can just pick me up. I'll just pick you up later on this evening. Alrighty. So I guess just park on the side of the building if you can, and I'm just sitting on the bench, kinda chilling.
Hey,
Alright.
Oh, that's a whole nother driver from a whole nother company that came around trying to help him. Yeah, the only problem is how they gonna get out on the street without snarling up traffic.
Well, it's only half the trailers, though.
Yeah, but still, even with that little thing, you got to back up onto the main street in order to get around to the right spot. How are you gonna not mess up traffic?
You gotta stop. You gonna have to mess up too.
Yeah, and somebody gonna end up calling the cops. The cops end up calling the DOT.
They ain't gonna say, nah, they ain't gonna do it.
Well,
We done somebody to find out.
yeah, trust me, YouTube is full of videos of something happening like this, and for this guy's sake, he better hope that FedEx doesn't watch Fail Army or YouTube.
That's the thing about having doubles that you can back this motherfuckers up and over.
I can't get out of the back.